7th Iloilo City National High School Graduation Ceremony. Alas 7 ng umaga nagsimula ang commencement exercises at nagtapos ng 12:30 ng hapon. 1,280 ang candidates for graduation. Nag-introduce ng speaker, Romeo S. Habano, Assistant Principal 2. Attorney Josephine Lacson Acoyado, Provincial Prosecutor ng Province of Guimaras ang kanilang speaker. Janelle Lonisa, ang classmate at best friend ng anak ko na si Charmel Empriso. Pareho silang with honors. Si Charmel at ang kanyang sister na si Camel at ako, photo op pagkatapos kumain sa Festive Mall.